Have you ever pondered the gravity of managing mold and mildew issues? If left unchecked, these seemingly minor issues can quickly escalate into major health hazards and substantial property damage. Our first line of defense is regular moisture inspections. By periodically checking common areas, shared facilities, and community buildings, we can identify potential sources of moisture and areas susceptible to mold growth. Equally important is educational outreach, providing residents with the knowledge to recognize signs of mold and mildew, understand the importance of proper ventilation, and promptly report any related issues is a powerful preventive measure. In conjunction with this, establishing a clear and accessible process for residents to report moisture-related problems is crucial. A community that feels empowered to report issues as soon as they arise can help nip mold growth in the bud. Once a problem is reported, a prompt response is key. Assessing the severity of the situation and initiating necessary remediation immediately is vital. Engaging qualified mold remediation professionals is a wise choice in these instances. Developing and communicating clear safety guidelines for residents is another step in managing mold and mildew. Knowledge about how to prevent moisture buildup and mold growth, as well as understanding the health risks associated with mold exposure, can go a long way in maintaining a healthy community. Next, consider developing emergency protocols for severe mold infestations. Ensuring residents know what to do in case of extensive mold problems can potentially save lives and property. Moisture control measures such as proper ventilation, dehumidification, and waterproofing are another crucial aspect of mold management. These can prevent moisture-related issues and subsequent mold growth. Financial preparedness is often overlooked but is essential. Having reserves to cover unexpected mold remediation costs and budgeting for regular maintenance and moisture assessments can prevent future mold issues. Legal compliance is a must. Making sure the community complies with local and state regulations related to mold remediation is essential. Mold removal should be carried out by licensed and certified professionals. Educating residents about their responsibilities in preventing mold issues is another important step. Encouraging them to promptly report leaks and maintain proper ventilation in their units can significantly reduce mold occurrences. Keeping detailed records of mold assessments, remediation work, maintenance, and communication related to mold and mildew issues is necessary. Proper documentation is essential for tracking progress and compliance. Periodically reviewing and updating the community's mold prevention and remediation policies to reflect current best practices and evolving community needs is a wise practice. Engaging residents in discussions about mold compliance, safety practices, and potential solutions fosters community involvement and cooperation. Lastly, collaborate with mold remediation professionals and environmental consultants to ensure that mold and mildew issues are effectively addressed and remediated in compliance with regulations. By implementing these best practices, mold and mildew issues can be effectively managed, promoting health, safety, and the overall well-being of the community. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to mold and mildew.